first book, which was a completely game changer for me, How to Make a Spaceship. It made me realize कि we people have so much potential and we hardly achieve 10% of it in our lives. That guy in the book, basically, it's a story of Peter Diamandis, and Peter Diamandis stimulated the whole space industry just by his will. He wanted to become an astronaut, but it turned out that he couldn't because he had some defect in his eyes. But he made sure that he made it easier for other people to become an astronaut. Now, how many people you have come across जो अपना सपना पूरा नहीं कर पाए, but then they dedicate their whole life to help other people achieve the same dream, make it easier for other people. So he stimulated the whole private space industry and he started the SpaceX challenge, जिसमें he started this challenge. He didn't even have a single penny with himself, but he did some very good marketing. Ki whoever completes this challenge gets around $10 million to make their own spaceship and reach the Kalman line. Kalman line is basically where Earth finishes and space starts. So it would be very first privately built spaceship, and इससे पहले space सिर्फ पब्लिक गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज का ही वो था गेम, बिकॉज टैक्स मनी से ही आप स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन कर सकते थे. बट हियर दिस गाय सिंगल हैंडेडली ब्रॉट स्पेस इनटू प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री एंड सो मेनी पीपल गॉट इनटू दैट रेस. इंडिया से भी काफी सारे देयर वर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, बट दे कुडंट मेक इट टू द फाइनल स्टेज. बट द विनर ऑफ दैट कॉम्पिटिशन गेव अस वर्जिन अटलांटिक, which is going to be the future of space tourism kind of thing, the way they are making progress. And he even approached Elon Musk, and that time Elon Musk was even, Elon Musk supported him a lot, but he was working on his own project SpaceX jab shuru hi hua tha when he approached Elon Musk. So because of him, people started dreaming of making their own spaceships, and there are so many different companies now in America itself who are trying to make their own launches for commercial satellites. So basically commercial satellites ko bhi space mein bhejna was very expensive till the time it was controlled by public agencies, government agencies. But a privatized hone ki wajah se rates are dropping down. Schools are sending satellites designed by kids just to inspire kids. Now imagine that. How cool is that? So because of this single guy, he started International Space University, जहाँ पे बच्चे आके they study, their studies are very much focused towards becoming a space scientist or an astronaut, and his SpaceX is still running. It's still running and it is still solving a lot of issues around the world. One of the modern issues was women safety in India. So SpaceX funded that issue as well, and there was a team which came up with an idea and they won the SpaceX prize and everything. So it's a very good initiative, because the thing is our society is run by a very capitalistic model कि जिसमें profit है, बस उसी में ही सारा labor और सारी energy use हो रही है. So you need some outside incentive कि people और लोगों की, so that people focus on other problems as well. सिर्फ एड क्लिकिंग पे हमारे ज्यादातर ब्रेन, जितने भी हमारे इंटेलिजेंट ब्रेन है, वो सब एड क्लिक करवाने पे लगे हुए तुमसे. दे आर नॉट गेटिंग यूटिलाइज्ड एनीवेयर एल्स. सो SpaceX is creating that very good initiative. So just from his life, I learned that okay, yes, life is not about just going to work and having fun on the weekend. He inspired me so much.